You have been staring at that glowing monitor for 6 hours. You finally fixed the stubborn deployment pipeline, stringing together an elegant technical solution that actually works. But right now, that solution is trapped in the local host vacuum. It exists only on your machine, completely invisible to the thousands of other developers currently wrestling with that exact same error. In the fast-moving world of DevOps, a methodology that integrates software development and IT operations to speed up delivery, siloed knowledge is a massive lost opportunity. Every time a fix stays hidden on a single hard drive, the entire industry loses a chance to iterate and improve. The alternative is impact scaling. You take that local, hard-won technical insight and distribute it globally, turning a solitary bug fix into a tool that accelerates teams across the world. Documenting and sharing your work acts as a direct multiplier for your own career trajectory and your measurable influence within the tech ecosystem. To distribute that knowledge effectively, you need a network built specifically for cloud-native practitioners. Collabnix serves as that premier distribution hub. This visualization demonstrates the platform's immense scale. Yearly, 14 million developers access Collabnix to solve problems. As data clusters into professional hubs, your writing reaches a targeted global audience searching for the exact solutions you engineered. By consistently publishing your workflows, you build a public portfolio. Readers begin to rely on your specific tutorials, naturally establishing your reputation as an expert in the cloud computing space. Sharing your insights on a platform with this volume of traffic turns a local problem solver into a globally recognized leader in the industry. The Collabnix community is actively looking for developers who can break down highly demanded cloud-native technologies. A major focus is Docker. We want content that makes it easier for developers to use containerization to accelerate their daily development workflows. Next is Kubernetes. Kubernetes is an open-source container orchestration system for automating software deployment and scaling. Practitioners constantly need fresh educational material on how to manage its complex architecture. This diagram compares standard containers with WebAssembly, a format allowing code to run at near-native browser speeds. While serving different purposes, they merge to build powerful applications. We also need use cases showing this combined architecture deploying onto edge devices for IoT applications. Blockchain technology, a decentralized, distributed public ledger system, is another highly sought-after sector where readers are hungry for new technical content. Finally, the community needs deep dives into CI/CD, continuous integration and continuous deployment, which automates the building, testing, and release of applications, along with other modern cloud-native tools. Providing practical value through tutorials, original code snippets, and detailed case studies across these specific domains is the fastest way to empower your fellow engineers. Getting your work published is a straightforward process. The first step is formulating an exciting idea and drafting a brief proposal outlining what readers will learn. This flowchart illustrates the submission pipeline. Once you have your proposal, you execute the second stage by sending a pitch email to contact@collabnix.com. If your proposal is accepted, you move to the final stage. You receive a dedicated author account, giving you the ability to publish your content directly to the Collabnix website. We do have a few clear guidelines. Your articles must be completely original, run between 800 and 1,500 words, and maintain a professional but approachable tone that helps both experts and beginners. The review process takes just 1 to 2 business days. This low-friction pipeline ensures your energy stays focused purely on writing high-quality technical education without getting bogged down in administrative hurdles. Along with the professional exposure, contributing brings some fun, tangible rewards. Writers stand a chance to win exclusive Collabnix swag and t-shirts. Think back to that isolated environment from earlier. When you hit publish, you leave the local host vacuum behind and become an active, connected participant in a massive global community. Your writing enriches the collective knowledge base, it sparks technical discussions among peers, and the thorough research required to write a good article deepens your own personal understanding of the stack. Join the Collabnix Discord server. Formulate your proposal, send us an email, and start writing. Sharing your knowledge actively shapes the future of cloud-native technology for millions of developers.